pothole, so pothole, swinging, pothole, truck gone in, so pothole. But yeah, we know that they have a big budget for fixing pothole coming up. China Harbour got the contract, so I'm hoping. Whoa. So I'm hoping that for this time around. Hey Rush fam, welcome back to the channel. You know it's Rush, the Discovery Boss. So firstly, this video is going to be a little bit darker than usual because it's overcast, so bear with me. If you're new to the channel, subscribing is free. That's the easiest way to support the channel. You know what we cover on the channel is anything new infrastructure wise. So new road, new commercial development, residential development, new hotel, you know, places of entertainment family wise. You know, so those are the things we cover on the channel. So new stuff and stuff where, you know, uplift Jamaica, build Jamaica, brand Jamaica, family oriented stuff. So all the positive stuff. Today we're gonna look at a new development on Spanish Town Road. It seems to be a gas station based on how it looks. The design is similar to the Fesco on Ferry as well. So if I'm guessing, it could be a Fesco gas station based on the design I'm seeing. Now I'm not able to send up my drone because of restriction, because it's kind of then close to Tinsipen Aerodrome. So it's restricting the drone and I can't override it. So we're gonna do a driving video to the location, and then I just come out the vehicle and just video around a bit. So new development. First I'm gonna cover this development, and as usual I'll make videos as it go along so you guys can see what happens or what's happening with the development. Stay tuned. Remember to like, comment and share. And we're gonna take a drive on Spanish Town Road. It's super bad. You have some pothole where more coming like pools. If you're driving late at night and don't know what you're doing, you can wreck yourself, you can crash, you can mash up your vehicle very badly. My opinion, but I really think Spanish Town Road, they need to completely repave it, resurface it, put in drain and put in markings, because for years there's no markings. It's 3 lanes and you have to be guessing the lanes. It's a nightmare to drive on Spanish Town Road, and I think from Ferry to 3 miles, sorry, is a very busy thoroughfare and they need to give it some attention. What do you guys think though? But stay tuned, we're gonna take a look at the development, and just subscribe to the channel so you keep getting these updates. Remember to go over to my new realtor channel. I'm a realtor associate now, so go over to my new channel. It's Jamaica Properties for Sale, JPS. The link will be in the comments, because something you search you won't find it because it's new. So I'm going to put the link in the comments at the top. Thank you guys. Stay safe. Stay tuned for the video. So we're on Spanish Town Road, close to the Riverton area, Riverton Dump and Riverton community. You know what's weird, one at the time an American vlogger came here just to showcase how good or bad Jamaica is, and the community that he went to showcase the poverty was Riverton community and the Riverton Dump. That was so weird, you know, like he's deliberately trying to show the worst of Jamaica. So these are the potholes, more like swimming pools. The video is a little bit shaky because I don't have a good setup in this vehicle. 3 lanes, no markings. I'm in the middle lane. A lot of trucks pass on this thoroughfare. A lot of industrial companies and major companies are on this thoroughfare as well. So we have Riverton over to the right. And the potholes as well do increase the traffic. Every morning you have traffic here, because right at the stoplight, which is coming up, which is the stoplight at the intersection for Spanish Town Road and Washington Gardens, there's a lot of potholes there. but you guys will see it in a second or two. So pothole, swinging, pothole, truck gone in, so pothole. But yeah, we know that they have a big budget for fixing pothole coming up. China Harbour got the contract, so I'm hoping. Whoa. So I'm hoping that for this time around, when the potholes get fixed, then by the next rainy season, you know, the same holes and same pothole don't return. Because that's what's keep happening. Some of these local contractors, not saying they deliberately do it, but even my road at I live on, literally every year they come and fix the same pothole. So right now, my road is full of pothole, and I'm sure when they fix it, if it's the same local contractor, next year it's going to be the same thing. But I think a main thing for Jamaica road construction is drainage. You know, when rainfall, the roads turn in a river, and I think that's a big part of it. If they don't have proper drainage, it's going to be the same problem. And they use limestone below the asphalt. Limestone corrode, easily corrodes stuff. So I think that helps rot the asphalt, the limestone marl that they put first. And I think sometimes they padded so much with the limestone marl that you just have a little space left for the asphalt, so it's very thin. A while back I drove on a road that they resell asphalt, and after the rain, the asphalt just slide off the road like a piece of book leaf. Literally just came off like a sheet of book leaf. So I think better standards need to be employed when fixing the road. I don't know if they get supervised. I don't know if they do quality control. I don't know who checks the amount of asphalt they use, the type of marl. But you know, I think our roads can be better. A lot of persons say concrete road is better, which it is, but it's very expensive. But I think for areas close to gullies, close to where water always settle, I think they could put concrete at those small areas. Because they tried it on Waltham. The concrete a section where every time, you know, it mash up very badly. And it's still surviving after 2 years. It's still surviving, the concrete. So the construction is right over there. It was a play field before, and now it seems to be a gas station. Alright, so it's right in front of Ray and Nephew. So as I mentioned, it was a Alright, so it was a football field before. Again, I can't fly my drone. If I could, I would, but this section seems to be like the convenience store, and then there's the next section look like the pumps, the gas pumps. So if any person watching knows what's coming here, you guys can let me know in the comment section. Feel free to leave a comment. I think this road brings you to Waterhouse that I'm on. Alright, not sure if you can see clearly, but right there is a circular building, circular construction, similar to the one at Fesco on Ferry. So that's why I'm assuming it could be another Fesco with a similar design. But as time passes, we'll see more. And again, I really, every time I do a video without the drone, I feel weird. Because, you know, if we had the drone, we'll be seeing more aerial shots. And as usual, it's a Chinese contractor. They're building everything in Jamaica. So it's Chinese with a few Jamaicans as well. And again, this was a football field slash community center. The field was a bit run down, in all honesty, but hey, from a football field to, I think it's a gas station. So we have some Chinese up on top. As usual, let me know your thoughts, your comments, your opinions. And again, sorry I'm not able to show you guys more, but you know, it's just due to certain restrictions from the drone. Sometimes you can override it, sometimes you can't, but it's because I'm a bit close to Kingston. It's restricting me because hey, they're trying to prevent accidents and incidents. So sometimes it will allow you to override and say, hey, you have full responsibility, but sometimes the override don't go through. Alright guys, so remember to like, comment, share. Thanks for clicking on this video, and I'll definitely see you on another video.